Do you want to use Android emoji on your iPhone? Hi there, this is Arthur, and here's how you can get Android emoji on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's look at how you can get Android emojis on your iPhone. To use emojis, open the App Store, type Gboard. Now download the Google keyboard from your iPhone. Once it gets installed, tap on Open. Now it's going to show you all the Google keyboard features. Now to set this up, tap Get Started. Here you will get all the options and settings of your Google keyboard. Now to set up the keyboard, tap Enabling Full Access. Tap Get Started. Now tap Keyboard. Turn on Allow Full Access. Now let's open the keyboard and try this out. Also, you can change the keyboard by tapping and holding the globe icon on your keyboard. Now try to write something on iPhone. If you tap the emoji section, this will show you the Android emoji on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can use Android emoji on your iPhone. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.